Thank you very much. The theme of this conference seems to sum it up. The issue of love and inclusion. But when we talk about inclusion, we should not be talking only of human persons or human beings. We should be talking of all of creation. What do we do, or what do I do to bring goodness and love to all of creation? Human beings, men, women, children, plants and animals, lakes, oceans, rivers, birds, mountains. This is what we are talking about when we talk about inclusion. In my language, the Yoruba language, a human being is what we call ènìyàn. And ènìyàn means the chosen ones. The ones out of all creation who are chosen to do good to the rest of creation. That's why we are blessed with all those faculties of thinking, of seeing, of touch, of conceptualization, all the faculties that Olódùmarè, the high God, gave to human beings, which he, she did not give to all the other creatures of his wonderful creation. He gave to us. And the reason he did that is for us to be able to do good to all of his creation. But unfortunately, since millennia, we have failed to do that. We've been very selfish in the use of all these faculties. We fought wars. We enslaved people. We enslaved not only humans, we enslaved all of creation. We consumed much more than we needed. We didn't give anything back. That is why we are in the situation in which we are now. How can we include all of creation in our thoughts, in our actions, and all the holy books have spelled all of this out, but we are not paying enough attention. It is time for us now to pay attention because time is running out. Unless we change our ways, we are going to reap all the evil things that we have sown. There is a verse of Ifa in which a mysterious figure whose name is Kankan, which means a person who does everything by force. Kankan engaged all of his neighbors in a collective work on his farm. He invited the hen, he invited the grasshopper, he invited dog, he invited hyena, he invited fox, he invited hunter, he invited snake, he invited walking stick, he invited fire, he invited rain, then he invited drought, and also invited dew drops. In that context, it's only dew, gentle dew that falls, that has no enemy. Mr. Byforce invited every person and then invited his or her enemy. When it was time to have lunch, they started to devour one another. Some lost, the chicken lost her wing. The grasshopper lost one of his legs. The fox tried to devour dog. Hyena tried to devour dog. Hunter tried to shoot hyena and moved back a little bit, was bitten by a snake. Walking stick hit snake. Fire came out of the other side of walking stick. Rain devoured rain consumed, put an end to fire, and in the end, drought overpowered rain, and everybody started limping, trying to find a way to survive. So in the end, they saw the need to cling to one another and move to a central place, asking each other, is it not time to make a new covenant? It is time, ladies and gentlemen, to make a new covenant. The way we have been living, nobody needs to tell us now that that's not the right way. We need one another. We cannot continue with our greed. We cannot continue with all those selfish things we have done for millennia. It is time now for us to cling to one another and make a new covenant. Oni ogbedi kakaka, ogbedi kunkun, eruku gbagba abe apata, adua fun kankan tí ó lọ lè bẹ́ tata lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. yóò bẹ àgbébọ̀ adìẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, yóò bẹ kọ̀lọ̀kọ̀lọ̀, yóò bàjá, yóò bẹ kókò, yóò bọdẹ, yóò bẹná, yóò bọ̀pá, yóò bọ̀ká, yóò bòjò, yóò bọ̀dá, yóò bẹ̀rì wọ̀wọ̀ kán wọn. Ó ní kankan lọ́wọ́ àbáyé jẹ́ lónìí o, ìrìwọ̀wọ̀ ọ̀wá àtúnṣe. Ó ń ṣe ìrìwọ̀wọ̀ wá àtúnṣe o, ìrìwọ̀wọ̀ wá àtúnṣe. Ẹ̀yin ò rí kankan tó bá yé jẹ́ lónìí o, ìrìwọ̀wọ̀ wá àtúnṣe o. Don't you see how doing things by force has spoiled our world of today? Dewdrops come and make amendments. Dewdrops come and save all of us. Thank you very much.